Welcome, my dear fellow collectors, doll lovers, beginners, to a new short episode of Busybee from Germany. I would like to show you what's coming up in the next weeks. I want to stimulate your appetite a little bit, and here's what's coming next. You have already seen them, my new ponytails, and we are going to degreen the ears, no matter how long it may take, but we are going to degreen the ears. I don't like green ears, and we are going to degreen them in the next weeks. So, what else is coming up? It's just yesterday that it arrived, but I found another ponytail swirl with cut hair. Here is the cut hair, you can see it. And we are going to reroot her. You see next to her the body. I also found a body which is very good. So I found it last week, and we are going to do another ponytail swirl reroot. I hope this time my video's gonna be more interesting, because I learned a lot in the last weeks concerning video cutting. We have a new sewing project coming up. This is the Suburban Shopper. It has a hole, but I think we can fix it. So this is one of the future projects in the next weeks. I think we can fix it without problems. It's just the seams that are open, and we are going to close it again. By the way, the Suburban Shopper dress came with several accessoires. Cute, aren't they? Then we have here our reroot project from the Spanish twirly cards Barbie that we have not done yet. She is also a project for the next weeks. I don't know in which week I'm gonna reroot her, but we are going to do it this year. Of course, we still have Francie and her Let's Dance dress that we are going to finish in the next weeks, a month. I don't know exactly how much time it will take, but we are going to continue with this project, of course. I found some crazy hair colors in the last month. I hope we can do some new experiments with the Totally Hair Barbie doll. Let's see how these curlers work out, how they function. I have never used them before, so let's see and test. They were recommended, but you know, I like to test things. Here is the new blue chunk that you saw in the last videos of our new blue chunk project. And I hope I could stimulate your appetite a little bit, what's coming up in the next weeks, and I hope you like my videos and you watch my videos and you comment if you like.